Hey guys, welcome back to InsideX here. I am with Hayden Jamieson down here at Moto Park, and Yamaha test day, Hayden, and newly factory Yamaha rider. You won that at Walton Transcan. How much does that mean to you to get that Yamaha bike, that budget, that $2,500 budget going into next year?
It's probably more towards my parents. They're probably gonna like that a lot more, but it's definitely a big thing for me too, just to win it and say that I won it.
Yeah, being part of the Blue Crew, InsideX, we're part of the Blue Crew, you're part of the Blue Crew, and good job there. A couple seconds and third at Walton and secured that. Now you're moving from the junior to the intermediate? Yep. So that's gonna be a big step. Are you gonna race some Pro-Am races?
I'm thinking of 1 year on intermediate, and then the next year I'll probably be jumping with the pros a little bit.
There you go, this is a Pro-Am thing. So out of the lineup today, we rode the 135, the 252 stroke, which are newly revamped, and the 250 and the 450. What would your choice be if you could grab a bike, take it home right now?
I want to say the 125 because it feels so crisp, but I got to go with the 250F.
Yep. All right, guys, now I got Ben Leclerc. He was the ECAN, the Eastern Canadian Amateur National winner for the Blue Crew there. You got the factory ride. Man, how important was that to get that at the Deschambault National and now secure it for 2022? You got a ride, you got a parts budget. How important was that?
It was really important. I mean, it kind of made our 2022 season possible. I mean, without it, it was going to be tough, but going into it, it's going to be a lot easier with some support and a bike and a parts credit.
Yeah, and I've known you for a good while. You actually came down to our schools years ago, and you and your brother have been Blue Crew through and through. So having this, it just kind of makes you just want to bleed blue even more. 125, 252 stroke, 250F, 450, which one would you just grab, put in the back of your truck right today?
I rode the 450 a lot today and I really liked it, but I'm still, the 250 has a spot in my heart.
And is it two-stroke or the four-stroke?
The four-stroke.
The four-stroke,
yeah, I really like the bike, yeah.
It's cool that, you know, these guys, Yamaha puts this on every year and it rejuvenated you for next year and gave you that motivation. It's got you that parts budget to get going. What's the plans for the off-season?
We're going to do some ice riding in January and then hopefully try to get down to SOBMX in February, March. We're not really sure yet. We're going to try our best, and if not, we're just going to start riding early spring and get going.
I like that.
Yep.
Keep the grind going. But man, thanks a lot. This is awesome to have you down here, the Yamaha test day, the media day, and man, you look great out there. I can't wait to see what 22 has in store for you.